We attract the reality we are most comfortable with in our minds. If you keep on thinking about the positive outcomes in your life, they are more likely to materialize just as much as the negative. So here's the signs that law of attraction is working for you. Number 1. Chills or goosebumps. Chills and goosebumps are positive signs that points to a vibrational shift. Provided you are feeling well, this experience points you to the fact that your conscious and subconscious are aligning with something important in your environment. Number 2. Noticing your initials in patterns. Seeing your initials in random places like card plates, signs, patterns of water, tea leaves, or you name it, means that your connection with the universe is becoming stronger. Number 3. Feeling a lot calmer. If you're feeling calmer for no particular reason, such as some kind of external trigger or a relaxing massage, it means that you're aligning with your purpose and with the vibration of the universe. Number 4. Rainbows. The sign can be found everywhere, and one such sign is the rainbows, which appears to assure you that you're moving closer to your destination. The rainbow especially manifests to those who have managed to move past a more significant block or challenge, which held them back from manifesting the reality they were striving for. Number 5. Cloud formations. Another good sign from nature is noticing cloud formations that are of special meaning to you. Stars, hearts, meaningful shapes, or even the thing you're striving for. They all represent a positive signal. Number 6. Recurring number patterns. Any number pattern that keeps showing up on your phone screen, digital clocks, even car plates and street sign indicate that you are synchronized with the law of attraction. Number 7. Experiencing déjà vu. A déjà vu is a sign that whatever is happening the moment you experienced it points to some kind of pattern that you should pay close attention. If the déjà vu is related to a specific person or place, then they may play a significant role in the process of fulfillment of the reality you're moving toward. Number 8. Increased telepathy. Whenever you think of someone, it's turned out they have been thinking of you at the same moment. And this happens too often to be called a coincidence, especially with people who seem to hold a crucial role in your growth. Number 9. Thoughts that manifest physically. Synchronicities may become more evident and more prevalent when you live by the law of attraction. Whatever you think of suddenly becomes real and hits you in your face. Remember that the law of attraction is not an external force that needs to focus on you from somewhere distant. It's a force which is driven from within, in a power which you possess. Unlocking it means starting to believe in how powerful you can be and what you can achieve with that power. I hope you like this video. Thank you for watching.